Om Hari Om. Now, one bhajan is very near to my heart, so I want to first explain. I want to write a letter to the God, but I don't know the address of the God. So I am going to ask sun, moon, where is he? And they explain it is in the sky, but I don't know where the place where he is. So then I go to the flower, bird, and the gardener. Okay, I'm asking where is the God? They're saying in every leaf there is a God, but where it is, I don't know. Then I go to the water, river, then falls. Where is the God? They say God is in the sea, but where the place, I don't know. Then I ask the rain, storm, and cold bridges. Where is the God? They are saying in every point there is a God. Everywhere. But where it is, we also don't know. The last I asked the people like you and the saints, where is the God? They are saying God is in our body, in Rome, in every port. But still I don't know where it is. So this is the bhajan. Now you can understand, yes? Okay. भगवान तुझे मैं खत लिखती पर पता मुझे मालूम नहीं भगवान तुझे मैं खत लिखती पर पता मुझे मालूम नहीं सुख भी लिखती दुख भी लिखती पर पता मुझे मालूम नहीं सूरज से पूछा चंदा से पूछा पूछा टिम टिम तारों से सूरज से पूछा चंदा से पूछा पूछा टिम टिम तारों